Hi guys, thanks for watching. So today I'm not doing an all-day clean with me. I'm not doing an extreme clean, a disaster clean. You know, I do those all the time because the house gets that crazy so quickly. But lately I've been trying to spend 20 minutes every single day doing something around the house to pick it up and maintain it so that I don't always have to spend an entire day on the weekends extreme cleaning the house. And this has actually been going really well, so I wanted to share with you what I do on a daily basis to help you guys out so you don't have to have those days like I've been having. And basically we're going to go through all of the main areas. I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to show you my 20-minute routine in 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoy this. Hit the like button if you do. Please subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you, and let's get started. The first room I always start with is the kitchen. Really, I do this like twice a day. It's after lunch right now, so this is only from breakfast and lunch. And we didn't even eat breakfast. So there's stuff on the counters. Everything right here has to be washed or put in the dishwasher or put away. All this has to be put away. There's raviolis over here from my lunch, stuff on the island. So let's get all of this taken care of first. 3, 2, 1, catch the dirty diaper. So I'm starting off in the kitchen with the dishes, and this is my 20-minute routine in 10 minutes, like I said. So every day I try and spend at least 20 minutes picking up the house, regular maintenance things, the dishes, the toys, the laundry, water bottles, coffee cups, all of that stuff from all over the house. And for me, I'm really trying to do this because it's starting to get warmer outside and I don't want to do as many all-day sessions where the house is such a disaster. It literally takes me all day. I'm hoping I can stretch those out a little bit because I would like to spend a lot more time outside since it's finally warming up. With all of the cooking that goes on in our house, we're trying to make a conscious effort to not use as many things as we used to, especially because, well, the main reason, the dishes pile up and nobody wants to be doing dishes all day. So for example, we can get through an entire meal of cooking with one spatula kind of thing. It's just those little things that really will make a big difference in the long run. We don't need one plate to put all of the chicken breasts on before we put it on our individual plates kind of thing. We can rinse a skillet if we're going to make something different in it for the same meal. So all of those small things I really encourage you guys to do because at the end of the day, it's only going to save you time when you're picking up from cooking the meal and enjoying it with your family. I'm continuing to take care of the dishes, so we unloaded everything. I'm going to load it back up and then I have just a few things to hand wash. We're wrapping things up in the kitchen here. I'm going to put the raviolis in a Tupperware, put that in the refrigerator, scrub out the pan, and then I will wipe down the counters with the Mrs. Meyer's, it's a concentrate. And I don't see their concentrate in a whole lot of stores. I feel like it sells out really quickly, but it's similar to the multi-surface sprays, except you mix it with water. So it lasts you a very long time. I've used it in tons of videos. I really recommend it. It comes in a larger bottle than the surface sprays, and it's just a really, really good one. This is the lemon verbena scent, I think. I have used this for such a long time. One thing you won't see me do in this video that you probably see in a lot of other ones, or something that I think a lot of you would expect, is vacuuming and floor maintenance. That takes me a long time. That is not something I can do in this 20-minute routine. There are other things that I think are way more important that I need to get done throughout this time of day. So floor maintenance for me, like the everyday floor maintenance of vacuuming from the day, is typically something I will do at night after Forrest, here he is, has gone down for bed and I can take my time and I don't have to rush. I always like to give you guys a little taste of him in my videos, even if they're not like about him, because he is way too cute. The next area is the dining table, and we don't even really sit here, but we do throw things on the table throughout the day. So there's a blanket over here from taking Forrest on a walk, a tape measure, makeup brushes, and Easter decor. We were gathering all of that up to put it in storage. I do like to leave these place settings out. Of course, it's not fully set. There's no silverware, there's no water glasses or anything, but just having like something on the table I think looks really nice. So I like to dust around these place settings and I just use them as decor. And then I'm going to put away my makeup, very random, but I've been putting on my makeup right here so that Forrest can hang out in the living room and he doesn't get bored upstairs. And now for the living room. I always call this our hot mess express because there's toys everywhere, there's wipes, there's extra outfits, bibs, burp cloths. There is, oh that's nice Chad, there is a diaper right here. I'll take care of that right now. Water glasses, sparkling water, a little bit of everything as you can tell. So let's get this straightened up too. And this is what the living room will look like in 0.01 seconds. Baby toys everywhere. So I'm going to straighten those up real quickly, get them by the fireplace and out of the way, get his pad out of the way, all of his toys, and then when we play with things, we can pull them out one by one as needed to keep him entertained. I am going to take care of all those water glasses, iced coffee, sparkling water on the table there, straighten up in here, and then we will keep on going. Cause you're using it, you've got all your secrets. I can seem to. If you are wondering why I left those sparkling water cans there, it's because I know Chad will drink those flat or not. Where you wanted me, I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. The only thing I do on a daily basis in the bathroom is straighten up the counter area. So I'm folding the towel. I'm going to put all of those extra items back under the sink from the faucet being installed. All these random things were out, extra soap, extra toilet paper. All of that is back where it belongs. I'm taking this laundry upstairs and then I'm going to flip the laundry and fold just a little bit. So every day I try and keep the laundry going. It literally is like a constant thing. Even with only 3 people, we go through so many baby items. I think that's why it gets like so bad, and towels. But anyways, I do have a lot of laundry here and all of it is folded except for one load. So on a daily basis, I am not able to get this counter completely emptied and put away, but I at least will try and make sure that all the laundry that has been washed and dried is folded. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I wish I was the kind of person who could get all of this done every single day, but I feel like if I at least don't have like tons of dirty laundry, I'm doing pretty good. I always thought folding laundry would be something I could do while my baby was awake, and I will set him up with tons of toys and entertainment right here, and he always freaks out and is like, no, this is way too boring. So I fold it as fast as I can while he's sleeping, and now I'm in the bathroom, in the master bathroom, and I'm taking care of anything that was left out from getting ready. So I blow dried my hair today for the first time in a long time, straightened it. I have a coffee cup out, I'll take that downstairs. I'm straightening up all the skincare here, and then I'm grabbing any laundry that was left out, and I'm going to shut the shower curtain. I do like to leave that open until there's no like steam in here so it can air out a lot faster. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have a lot of cleaning left to do, I always link the playlist down below for all of my house cleaning videos. There are so many of them. Also, write in the comments what your everyday cleaning routine is. If you do anything different, especially write it, because I will probably feel like I need to add it to my list. I know other people will find ideas that way. So thank you again for spending the time with me. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!